Princess Margaret paid a visit to the Chelsea pensioners on Oak Apple Day, she was received by the Governor of the Royal Hospital, General Sir Bernard Paget. Today there are more than 450 pensioners in all. The oldest is 97 and the youngest a mere stripling of 58. But all of them clearly remember that they're still soldiers of the Queen. Some of the older pensioners were seated round the parade ground, and Princess Margaret stopped for a word or two with these veterans of far-distant campaigns. Close to the saluting base, there stands the statue of King Charles II, the founder of the hospital. And now these stalwart boys of the old brigade march past it by companies. How proudly they all wear their medals and the oak leaves which commemorate the birthday of their founder and his restoration to the throne. A double celebration which has been observed here for over 260 years. I shouldn't be surprised, mark you, if some of these old brigade boys were also thinking of that double ration of beer and plum pudding, which is one of the most attractive traditional features of Oak Apple Day at Chelsea.
Three jolly good cheers for Her Royal Highness Princess Margaret.
Hip, hip! Hip, hip! Hooray!